me, Madison. So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a BOUJEE one, and this is their February box. So I'm going to show you what's inside. So we have the Too Faced mascara. Then we have a No Problem primer by Touch in Soul. We got 2 masks. And we got a Pretty Vulgar highlighter and a red lipstick from Smashbox. So yeah. Oh, and here's the mask. It's the Tula Probiotic Skincare. And there's 2 in each bag. So I'm gonna try that out later. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna try out the primer they put in here. It doesn't really smell like anything, but it's super greasy. And I don't like it. I don't like oily primers. Ugh. And so I would not use this again because I don't like it. And it makes my face feel weird. So next I'm using the Revolution foundation. This is their stick foundation. In the color F7. This one actually matches pretty well. So I really like this foundation because I just do. It's creamy, it blends out good, and it's light coverage. And y'all know, I don't like a full coverage foundation. And I'm repping Rosy Days, and if you don't know what this is, it's Casey Holmes' clothing line. But I'm gonna leave the link down below. So next I'm gonna go get my Tarte Shape Tape, and I really wanna get my nails done again because the last time I went, my nail lady was not there. So I had to go with my old nail lady, and she is terrible. Like, not to throw shade or anything, but they look like I did them. That's not good. I'm also gonna prime my eyelids with this. But, okay, so I already took this hand off, but I cannot get these off, and I think we can just see these for a second. I said I wanted them like a little, she was like asking me for the length, like the length of my nails, and I like them like there. And then she cut them this short. I'm like, whatever. And then she starts doing the thing, and in my picture I showed her was like more pink, like it was more of a bright pink, and she goes with this brown nude color, and I'm like. And then, so I really want to get my nails done with my regular lady because my regular nail lady, she's a goddess at nails, and she's so good. And yeah, I want to try getting dip though, because my friend gets dip and it lasts longer apparently. So, and apparently it's better for your nails. So now I'm gonna put on my eyelids. But yeah, because this is what the beauty gurus do. So yeah, so I'm really trying to get nails after this. Because if I'm good, my mom will think about it. I have veiny eyelids, but like everyone does. Now we're gonna bake our eyelids, and we're gonna use the Pretty Vulgar powder. Okay, so I need to bake my eyelids. Now while my eyelids are baking, I'm going to do the rest of my face. So now I'm using the Too Faced blush, and it's a cream blush, and I got this from TJ Maxx. Okay, so after blush, it's time for highlighter. This came in the box, and it's like a pinky highlighter. It's kind of dull. Kind of looks like blush. So now for contour, I'm using the Chanel Cream Contour, and I actually really like this stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Becca Volcano Goddess palette, and this is a new palette for me. So first I'm going to get the 3 colors right here and use them as a base, or like a blending color. I love the big mirror it has. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the same brush, and I'm gonna go get the color Red Rock. And there's a lot of fallout. Alright, so I'm gonna do it to the other eye. And I'm excited for next weekend because Six Flags opens up again. And I have a season pass, and I've only been once, and it was cold and we didn't do anything. Like, it could be this look. Okay, now I'm gonna get the gold and with my finger because it's a cream shadow, and I'm gonna put that in the lid. This look is definitely a bop. I like it. Okay. So now I'm gonna get Diamond Dust, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. And the brow bone. And I like that because it has like this orange tint, and our look is kind of, you know. So now I'm gonna go with the Too Faced mascara, and this came in the box. I've used this before. It's a great mascara. I use it every day, and now I have a full size, and I was using a sample size. So yeah. Okay, so now for lips, I'm gonna be lining my lips first with because it's a red lipstick. That was the Smash. Hey! It came from they're both Smashbox. What a cool infinity. This is the one that came in the box, and it's a lipstick, and it's a square, and it's red. So we're gonna put this on, and it's a matte. I look like a duck. Here's the completed look, and I really liked how it turned out. So overall, I really liked how this look turned out. And yeah, my favorites from the box were the lipstick, and that's it. And, oh, and the mascara. But yeah. So I didn't really care for the highlighter or the primer, but I'll try the face mask tonight, and it'll probably be in a vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell. Leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Clippers World. Bye!